Hey guys, welcome to this free tutorial about EventBOT. In this tutorial, we will create a free account and we will configure EventBOT on the platform. So let's start by creating a free account. Okay, so put your email here and your password. Agree to all and I'm not a robot. And then click on sign up. You will be redirected to this page and you need to enter the token here. Go to your email. So let's check our email. So once you receive the email, you will see this token that you can copy and paste to activate your account, or just click here. Okay, so congratulations, your account is activated. So let's log in. So let's log in. The first view of EventBOT will be this assistant that will guide you to the initial configuration for EventBOT. So in this case, we will create a chatbot for online events. You can use it for online education as well. But in this case, in this demo case, we will create an online events like webinars, YouTube, Facebook Live, Twitch, or whatever. So let's click on next. In step 2, you need to select your chatbot platform. In this case, we will select Chatrace as a platform. And you need to download EventBOT. So click on this button in order to download. So add your data and click on I'm not a robot. So once you click on that, you need to press on download and you will be redirected to the Chatrace platform, to this plugin or template page. You can preview and interact with an EventBOT demo or just install it. So let's install EventBOT. When you just install EventBOT, you will see this folder, EventBOT plugin. So in this folder, you can see a few subfolders. You don't need to touch anything. Other things installed with the template is these AI rules. For example, if the user types events or webinars, it will be redirected to this flow. Or if the user types stop EventBOT, it will be redirected to this flow. So the last thing installed with the template is this ref parameter, EV share event. And finally, there is a lot of ways to integrate EventBOT on your chatbot. You can do it on any flow by adding a button or go to flow or whatever you want. In this case, we will integrate EventBOT in the welcome message. So let's edit our welcome message. So in this case, we say hi to the user and and give a text for check our events. So let's add a button here and say see our events and start another flow. And what flow? You need to search start, and this is the flow you need to use in order to integrate, in order to start EventBOT on your chatbot. So start EventBOT, select start EventBOT, and that's it. EventBOT, it's already integrated to your chatbot. You can do it, of course, for example, with send to flow. So we will delete this button and we can now continue just like this and start a flow. And what is the flow? Start EventBOT is the name of the flow. So that's it. It's really easy to integrate EventBOT on your chatbot. It's that easy to integrate EventBOT on your chatbot. Remember, you need to have a pro account in order to use EventBOT. So let's be sure going to integrations. If you still don't generate your token, you need to generate here. So let's generate the token. Okay. So after you create your token, you can return to the EventBOT wizard. So let's go back, click here. I already downloaded EventBOT, so click on next. And now it will ask you for your bot ID. You can get your bot ID just going here on the URL and copy this page ID, or go to analytics and copy this part of the URL. That is your bot ID. Let's copy this ID and paste it over here. And let's go back and copy the token and paste here and click next. Let's choose the language. In this case is English. Next. This final step is just for testing purposes. You need to click on this button to start a chatbot test. It will open a messenger window. So let's click on this button. As you can see, your chatbot will appear here, and if you never interact with your chatbot, you will see this start button. In my case, in Spanish, empezar. So let's click on that. And you will see this code and this phrase that the initial test was success. And let's go back to the platform. And now you see this page that all the things are put in place and the connection status is in green, so it's all good. So let's press start. So the first thing you see when you finish the configuration is the host page, because you need to create at least one host in order to create events. So if you click events, you will be redirected to a host. So let's create a new host. In my case, we will create me as a host. So my name, Cristian Sepulveda. My image URL, we will take it from LinkedIn. Let's take this photo and copy the image URL, image link or image URL. So let's paste it here. And then you can write a short bio for the host. So this is a short bio. And the bio URL, that is my LinkedIn in this case. So paste the URL of your bio and let's save. And once you create it, it will show the photo. And now you can create events. But we will create events in another tutorial. So please stay tuned and subscribe for the channel in order to get the alert when this new tutorial about creating events on EventBOT. A final thing that I want to tell you, that when you create your account, the initial plan for your account is the free plan, so you can change this in here. So click on change and you will see all the plans, the paid plans of EventBOT. So you can subscribe on any of the plans. Remember, the maximum subscribers in the free plan is 500. So that's it, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.
If you do lives on YouTube, Facebook, or Twitch, let me show you something that could revolutionize your channel. Do you know how many viewers you lose every time you use email to notify them that your live is about to start? It's slow, full of spam. It takes several hours to be seen. There is so much email traffic that no one wants to receive a notification every time they receive an email. But this does not happen in Messenger. Messenger offers real-time notifications that generate a much greater engagement between your viewers and your online event. Try EventBOT, a chatbot designed for live content creators, which show your past and future events. Register and notify your viewers when the event is about to start using Messenger.